In this video, we will look at ratios. A ratio expresses the relationship between two numbers, such as the relationship between the number of students studying and the number of classrooms available, or the number of miles and the number of gallons of gas. For example, 25 miles per gallon is a ratio indicating that a vehicle can cover a distance of 25 miles on 1 gallon of gas and is usually expressed like this. This can also be expressed in other ways. 25 is to 1 and 25 miles to 1 gallon. Percentages also indicate relationships between two values and can be expressed as ratios. For instance, the percentage value 31.8% can be expressed as 31.8 over 100, 31.8 is to 100, or 31.8 to 100. Similarly, ratios can also be expressed as percentages. Let's consider an example. Assume that we have a ratio of 18 women to 45 students. To express this in percentage terms, we will consider 18 as the numerator and 45 as the denominator. We then multiply the fraction by 100 to calculate the percentage value. Here the percentage value is 40%, indicating that 40% of the class is comprised of women. In accounting, ratios are primarily used to compare one value in relation to one other. This is common while analyzing the financial statements of a company to determine its financial health. Consider the example where a company has $1,500 in current assets and $1,200 in current liabilities. Based on this information, we can calculate the current ratio, which is the relationship between current assets and current liabilities, and is the most common measure of a company's liquidity position. The current ratio for this company can be expressed as 1.25 is to 1, calculated by dividing $1,500 by $1,200. In this case, the ratio 1.25 is to 1 implies that for every dollar in current liability, the company has $1.25 in assets.